got that many chainsaws. And they ain't like it's there going in South Florida where they used to it.
I mean, it's all along the road.
Yeah.
Riding on the edge of the road.
For miles and miles and miles.
And miles, trees falling down. They gave up. They did not win the fight. Charlene triumphed.
Arlene said, y'all got to go. La-da-da-da. Everybody.
She said you going down today though. She said you going down today. Everybody.
Are they still putting people over?
No, I think they
There's
just hanging
a
out.
chit chat.
Yeah. Hanging out. Drake sucks. Drake sucks.
He still got the hits. No matter what Kendrick say, he still got the hits. It's like
I
R.
just don't like his voice.
Just like R. Kelly.
Very